And hello again, this is Mike. The models were nominated on the Toy Train Tips and Tricks channel, and you voted in the post section of the page, and now your votes have been tabulated, and we have your choices for the best O-Gauge trains of 2025. Let's get right to it. In the category of Best Budget Diesel, the winner by a wide margin over the Lionel RS3 is the Menards FP7. My Beta 4.0 FP7 is still the only remote-controlled diesel on my roster, and it still looks, sounds, and runs great with my Lionel Lines aluminum passenger set. Let's hope that Menards keeps turning these out in new color schemes, and that they hopefully add new models to keep them company in the engine house. Another runaway race was for the best freight car of 2025. It was not even close, as RMT's new 3-bay 70-ton hopper was the clear choice in the voting. It's a great combination of budget price, good looks, and a wide variety of color schemes, perfect for any layout with 036 or larger curves. There was only one nominee for the best budget steamer, the Lionel Lion Chief 080, but among a wide field of great choices, the choice for the best premium steamer of 2025 goes to the Lionel Vision Line J1E Hudson. The scale-size Hudson has been the queen of the Lionel line since the 1930s, and this model is the most detail-packed ever. The matching Lionel New York Central 20th Century Limited took the crown for the best passenger set of 2025. In another field of solid contenders, your choice for the Best Structure or Scenery Item of the Year went to the Menards Main Street structure by a comfortable margin. Rumor has it that a Part 2 of the Main Street structure is on its way from Menards in 2026. In a sea of trolleys, MTH led the pack in the voting for the Best Self-Propelled Unit of the Year with its Galloping Goose model. And in another crowded field, the Best Caboose of the Year went to Menards and its offset cupola caboose with flashing lights, but only by a hair over the other nominees. The top vote getter for the Best Premium Diesel of the Year was not as close as I imagined it would be. Nostalgia was once again the determining factor, as Lionel's Legacy Trainmaster model took the crown by a comfortable margin over the rest of the pack. The winner of the Best Operating Car of the Year was the MTH Operating Boxcar with Signalman in another moderately close contest. Another close vote was in the category of Best Operating Accessory of 2025, with the Menards Operating Crossing with Sounds slightly beating out Lionel's Command Control Gantry Crane. And last but not least, in the category of Best Starter Set, Lionel's Navy and Christmas sets, along with the Menards Dino Express, all received lots of praise in the comments section for their play value, but in the end, the veterans vote won the day as Lionel's Navy set took the field. And those were the best O-Gauge trains of 2025, as determined by your votes. Thanks to everyone who participated. There may be more cross-channel video events coming up in the future, and a great way to make sure you haven't missed the latest upload to any of my channels is to visit my new landing page at moriginalmultimedia.com. In addition to links to recent videos, new features will be coming soon as I get the bugs worked out of the system. So check back often. And don't worry, I haven't sold out to some large corporate interest. These channels are all still 100% me. The new name is just for tax and accounting purposes. So thanks for watching, keep the trains running, and check out all of my videos at Toy Train Tips and Tricks, the Locomaniac page, and of course, What's New in O-Gauge. And here's hoping for a great 2026.